You pirouette, sharp, spot. That is sharp. Yeah, I mean, you can't spot. All right? Slow, but quick with your eyes, okay? You really feel you're working here? You're working here, here, across your chest, and out. What about your fingertips? So each step is moving, right? And look. That's it. Your left arm turning out. Okay, now over your toe. And tight. All right. And reach. Two arms. Smoothly, smoothly, Anita. Now get over your toe, hip, turn it out, whoosh. Better, you see? Good, yes, better. More, look at your hand. Keep your head right, over here. Okay, now you know you're gonna pirouette. Now get over your toe. Lock your hips, lock your hips. Yeah, I just want you to try not to stop, though. Do this, do that, don't stop, don't stop. Keep moving, keep moving your arm. From there to fourth, yeah, no, this is, you're still in tournant. And two, now you're gonna go into the plié. Now when you go into the plié, this goes this way. Right knee, left arm. Yeah, okay. Did you spot?
No.
Yeah, this is better now. Get a spot. Yes, yes. Okay, once more.